Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate destination for premium car reviews, in-depth insights, and the latest updates in the automotive world. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance, what's new in this model and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. The 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta maintains its bold and sophisticated design, ensuring a commanding road presence. The front fascia features a larger chrome grille, flanked by sleek LED projector headlamps with DRLs that enhance visibility and style. The sculpted bonnet, redesigned bumper, and muscular body lines give it a more premium and modern look. The 16-inch or 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, depending on the variant, add to its dynamic appeal, while the side profile remains elegant with chrome door handles and window lining. At the rear, the LED tail lamps, integrated spoiler, and a refreshed bumper design give it a sophisticated yet sporty touch. Toyota has also introduced new dual-tone color options, further elevating its premium feel. Step inside, and the 2025 Innova Crysta welcomes you with a spacious, luxurious, and technology-packed cabin. The dual-tone dashboard features soft-touch materials, premium wooden inserts, and ambient lighting that create an upscale atmosphere. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system now comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The premium JBL-tuned sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for long drives. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel offers a comfortable grip with intuitive control buttons. Comfort and practicality remain at the heart of the Innova Crysta. The 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, along with ventilated front seats, ensures maximum comfort. The second-row captain seats offer a reclining function, along with dedicated armrests, making it one of the most comfortable MPVs in its segment. The third-row seats provide ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys pleasant for all passengers. The automatic climate control with rear AC vents, a rear entertainment system, and multiple USB Type-C charging ports further enhance convenience. The large boot space, which can be expanded with a 60 hours 40 minutes split folding third row, makes the Innova Crysta perfect for long trips and family vacations. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta continues to offer a powerful and fuel-efficient diesel engine. The 2.4-litre four-cylinder turbo diesel engine produces 150 PS and 343 Nm of torque in the manual variant, while the automatic version delivers 360 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. The rear-wheel drive setup enhances stability, making it an excellent choice for highway cruising and city commutes. Toyota's eco and power driving modes allow drivers to switch between efficiency and performance as needed. The suspension system has been finely tuned to ensure maximum comfort, even on rough roads. The front double wishbone suspension with coil springs and falling rear suspension absorb bumps effortlessly, providing a plush ride. The hydraulic power steering ensures effortless maneuverability, making the large MPV easy to drive in city traffic. The high ground clearance allows the Innova Crysta to tackle rough terrains without any issues. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Innova Crysta stands out with Toyota's renowned reliability and advanced safety features. It boasts a 5-star global NCAP safety rating, thanks to its high-strength body structure and multiple safety technologies. The MPV comes with 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, VSC, hill start assist, and traction control as standard. The 360-degree camera with parking sensors makes reversing and parking easier, even in tight spaces. Toyota has also introduced ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, in the top-end variants, offering features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, ensuring maximum safety for passengers. The 2025 Innova Crysta is equipped with the latest technology to enhance user convenience. The Toyota Connected Car Tech allows remote vehicle access, real-time tracking, geofencing, and remote climate control settings. The AI-powered voice assistant makes infotainment controls effortless, while the head-up display, HUD, in premium trims provides essential driving information in the driver's line of sight. The engine start-stop system helps improve fuel efficiency in city traffic, and the auto-dimming IRVM enhances nighttime driving comfort. Despite its size and power, the 2025 Innova Crysta offers impressive fuel efficiency. The 2.4-liter diesel engine delivers around 14 to 15 km/L in city driving and up to 18 km/L on highways, making it one of the most fuel-efficient MPVs in its segment. The large fuel tank capacity ensures fewer refueling stops, making it ideal for long-distance travel. The pricing of the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta remains competitive, offering excellent value for its features and reliability. The expected starting price is around a superscript $119,23,000 for the base variant, while the fully loaded top-end model with all premium features and adders could go up to a superscript $127,32,500. With multiple trims, seating configurations, and feature options, Toyota ensures that there's an Innova Crysta for every type of buyer, from families to business owners looking for a premium MPV. The 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta is a perfect blend of luxury, practicality, performance, and safety, making it one of the most well-rounded MPVs on the market. Whether you need a comfortable family car or a spacious vehicle for long journeys, the Innova Crysta is an unbeatable choice. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth insights into the latest luxury cars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. Stay tuned for more exciting content.